Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all you are fine and well. Welcome to my environmental science class, myself Shomiron sir. Today we will discuss the last part of chapter number 27, Chuskit goes to school. So we have already completed the maximum portion in the last three videos. I hope all of you have watched the video, and at the end of all the videos some questions are given to you, and I hope all of you have solved it out. If you have any doubt or problem, you can discuss with me regarding that in the doubt clearing class. So in this video, we will discuss the last page of the chapter. There are some specific questions given for you. I will discuss the answer of the question in my way, but you can change the answer and you can also write your view. So let us start our video. Watch the video till the end, and I have also given some questions at the end of the video. So you should also try to write down all the answer in your EVS classwork copy. And all those questions we will discuss in the next doubt clearing class. So let us start our video. Chuskit goes to school. Talk about it. Who all helped Chuskit to reach to the school? So in the video it is already explained. So who are those? Abdul, some of the children, and the school teacher, headmaster, all those person helped Chuskit to reach the school. So you can write it down in your own way. Write all this question and answer in your EVS classwork copy. If you were Abdul, what you have done? So you just think yourself in place of Abdul. So if you are Abdul and if you have any friend or any neighbor beside your house like Chuskit, what you will do? I hope you obviously help her, and what Abdul have done, you will also do it. Next one. At last, Chuskit could reach the school. Do you think that she may face some difficulties in school? What kind of difficulties? If you were Chuskit's friend, how would you help her? So you have find that Chuskit could reach the school at last. But did she face some difficulties? I hope she can face some difficulties for reaching the school. All the students helped her, leveled the roads, made the bridge. But Chuskit have to go school on the wheelchair, and she may face some difficulties while rolling her wheelchair. And maybe like other normal children, he cannot jump or play, but he can enjoy the school and their studies and along with their friends in different way also. Next, do you have ramp in your school on which a wheelchair can move? So if you have the ramp in your school, you can write it down. So do you know what is a ramp? Try to find out what is a ramp. In the next slide, I will show the picture of the ramp and I will explain that. You just wait for the next slide. Do you know any children near your house who cannot go to school because of some difficulty? Would you like to help such a child? How will you help? So this answer will be according to you. If you have any children like Chuskit beside your house in your neighboring region, you can write about him or her. Maybe he or she cannot walk, maybe they are deaf or dumb, or maybe blind, or may have some other difficulties. Okay, so if anyone such a disabled person or a child is there, you can write about him or her. And how will you help him or her? You will write your own answer. If you want to help such disabled person, how you will help him or her, you will write it down. Next, look at the building around your house. Can a wheelchair go inside the building? So beside your house there may be several buildings, maybe some houses, maybe school, college, or maybe some other official building also, or maybe some big shopping malls. So over there, if the ramp is present, I hope the wheelchair can easily go. But if it have some staircase, the wheelchair, who is rolling the wheelchair by their own, maybe they can face the difficulty if they have to take someone help and to move inside the building. So according to the building, you will write your answer. What types of buildings are there beside your house in your neighboring region, and if the wheelchair can go inside or not. This answer will be fully according to the building which you have observed or which you have seen beside your house. I have told you that I will show you the picture of the ramp. So you can see this is a ramp. Instead of staircase, there are some slanting area where the wheelchair can move, or who are the older persons, they can easily, who cannot move through the stairs or maybe have some difficulty for going through the stairs, they can use the ramp. In the big buildings, in the schools, colleges, apart from the staircase, there are some ramp also. Okay, maybe some of the ramp you have seen it in the modern shopping malls also, and many big official buildings are also having the ramp. See, in this photo you can find one person, disabled person on wheelchair. He is moving through the ramp. So for these types of slanting ramp, it is easier for a disabled person to move easily. So if a building have the ramp like this, then the disabled person by their own, they can go inside the building. So it will be easy. And obviously most of the schools and colleges are having these types of ramp. So if your school have the ramp, you can also write it down. So this is a picture of ramp. Now let us do. These are the tasks which you have to do in your EVS classwork copy. What is those? Draw a picture of a ramp and a wheelchair in your notebook. I hope you can. And those who are good painters or who can draw well, it is also very much easier for them. You have seen the picture of a wheelchair in the previous video. In this video, the previous slide, I have shown you the picture of a ramp. So you can draw a ramp in your classwork copy. Why not make your own bridge? For these, use materials that you can find around you. Ice cream sticks, plastic spoons, small sticks, ropes, string, etc. Your friend can also make a bridge. So if you have these types of materials, you can also make a small miniature bridge. Okay, those who are good in craft, they can also try this one. They can make a small bridge with the help of some of the ice cream sticks or plastic spoons or rope or strings, and now afterward you can just keep it in your home as a showpiece also. So I hope you can try, or most of you can make it. You can also suggest your friend to make a bridge. In the, suppose you have used some ice cream sticks to make a bridge, your friend use some spoons, plastic spoons or ropes. So these types of materials. If you want to use some other material, cupboard or some other types of sticks, you can match sticks also. You can also make a small bridge which you can use as a showpiece in your house. Next, in a group of friends, make a model showing fields, rivers, mountains, roads and railway tracks, etc. You can use clay, sand, pebbles, twigs, leaf. Place your bridge at different position of the model. Now you can make one miniature model of the landscape. You can make some models showing some fields, rivers, mountain, roads, railway tracks. Okay, and you can use some clay, okay, some sand, pebbles, twigs, leaves. These types of materials you can use. If you want, you can also give some color also in it. Okay, now whatever one small miniature bridge you have made, you can also just put the bridge in different places and you can see that how it looks like. These types of model you are already habituated. Many of you have make these types of model in your science fair also. Some miniature model of the landscape or some mountains. Okay, so if you are interested to do it, this activity, you can do it at home. Okay, and you can also show me during your doubt clearing class. So these are the things of the activity, you can do it. Okay, and those who are interested to do it, you can do it. It is not mandatory, but I hope you should try, all should try it. Now 3rd December, do you know the importance of this date? This 3rd December every year, it is celebrated as International Day of the Persons with Disabilities. So those who are disabled, it is the day for them. It is 3rd of December. In every year in worldwide, this day is celebrated for the person who are disabled, who cannot walk, who cannot see, who are blind, who cannot talk, or who cannot even hear, or maybe some other disabilities they have. It is the day for day. So if a question is asked that which day is the day of the disabled person, okay, International Day for the disabled person, you can write 3rd of December. Now the last part, some important questions, part 4. First one, fill in the blanks with the help of the given box. So in the box, the hints or the are given over here, and from here you have to pick out these words, and the appropriate one you have to fill it in the fill in the blanks. First one, Chuskit is dash years old dash. So what will be the appropriate word you have to put in these blanks? She live in dash in dash. She means over here about Chuskit. Chuskit could not dash but could move on her dash. So what will be the appropriate word on those blank places? We should be dash and dash to special children. So what should we do to the special children? The 5th one, a dash can easily move on a ramp to cross uneven ground. So from the above box you should collect the appropriate word and you should put it on the blank place. In this page, some other fill in the blanks are given, but over here no hints are given. You have to read out the chapter, then you have to answer it. Chuskit is a 10 years old guy who cannot dash. The same question it is given on the first one. So I hope you have got the hint from there and you can easily write it down. The children dash the uneven road. What the children have done to the uneven road? The bridge over the river is made with flat pieces of dash. What will be the answer? I hope you can write it down. There are dash trees in the way to the school. So you have to name the specific trees, the way to the school, which types of trees are there. Chuskit could cross the bridge on her dash. So how she can cross the bridge? Most of those fill in the blanks in this slide or this page is quite similar to the previous one. Under number 1 there are 5 fill in the blanks and some hints are given, and over here no hint is given. You can have to go through the chapter as well as the previous video, and I hope you can write it down. So all of you take out your copy, note down the question, then go through the chapter once or twice, then you should write it down, but make sure that you should not see the book while you are writing the answers. Okay, it is a self-assessment, and after that if you face any problem we will discuss all those answers in the doubt clearing class. So thank you student, today our video up to this much and we have completed the entire chapter in 4 parts. So watch all the 4 parts of the video and go through the chapters properly, and then you should try the answer. After that if you have any doubt we will clear it out in the doubt clearing class. So thank you all and have a nice day ahead.